Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, UK has always been a very popular destination. Various those to study, those who wanna immigrate there, those who wanna work there. But whatever your intentions are, it's always required that you check what you actually need. I mean, the kind of visa and other requirements before you actually go over there. So that is what we will go through in this video. I'm gonna show the wizard that is gonna tell you what visa you need based on your circumstances and your intention, of course. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this government UK website where you have a wizard. Check if you need a UK visa. Okay, so click on start now. The very first thing is select your nationality. So you need to answer as per your case. Let's say you select India and continue. Now what you want to do? Tourism, work, study, transit, join partner, get married, have medical treatment. So let's say I select work. How long? 6 months or less? Longer than 6 months. I select longer than 6 months. Planning to work in any of these occupations, healthcare, digital, academic. So let's say IT, so I select digital technology. Right, and then select on continue. So you need a work visa. Based on your answers, you might be eligible for 8 visas. Wow. So they have listed all the visas. Okay, so you could be eligible for any of these or multiple of these based on your circumstances. So if you are coming to work in an eligible skilled job, you can go for skilled worker visa, web design, programmer, software development. You need a job offer, minimum salary, initial visa length up to 5 years. Wow. You can extend, can settle after 5 years. Wow. Global talent, if you're a leader, potential leader in your field, you could be eligible for this. Wow. You can 3 to 5 years. Okay, if you're transferring to your UK branch to work in, okay, so this is like inter-company transfer, you can say. In Canada, it is called ICT. They have called it global business mobility. And yes, graduate training visa. Okay. India Young Professional Scheme. So this is a like a cap based, drop based. Okay. Right. Scale up worker visa, scale up business. Okay. And there's some other too. High potential individual and UK ancestry. So based on circumstance, let's say if you have a job offer, then you can go for like skilled worker visa, then specialist worker visa, graduate training visa. I mean, you can filter out. If you don't have a job offer, then you can go for the special nationality, India Young Professional Scheme visa, or you can go for distinguished global talent visa for this. So you can find out which one you need. Okay, I mean, which one you could qualify for, and then you can click on link. For example, you want to go for skilled worker visa. So now we have navigated to skilled worker visa and we can read all the requirement eligibility. So it has to be your job offer has to be from a UK employer who has been approved and you have a sponsorship from your employer. That's a list of eligible occupation. Okay. English knowledge. How long you can stay? 5 years. Okay. Up to 5 years. You can stay even longer. You must apply online. How long it takes? Okay. So 3 months before, okay. Decision if you are outside UK, 8 weeks if you are inside UK. How much it cost? Okay, fine. So in this way, you can navigate and find out all the things that you need. So now for individual one, I'll try to make a different video. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.